Watch till last of video. Subscribe the channel because it is free.
In this video you will learn to draw a ship propeller. All the dimensions are assumed. First draw a circle of 5 mm. Use polyline to draw a blade. Draw it according to your convenience. 3D curved objects are designed with intersection command. Watch till last of the video to clear your doubts. Adjust the points to get better figure. Trim all the extra lines. Use boundary command to get a boundary of the region. Use helix command to draw a spiral of a suitable height and turn. Note the dimensions used. Draw a small rectangle and sweep it over the spiral. Extrude the blade over it. Use intersect command to get the intersection part. Extrude the circle to a height of 15 mm. Use array command to draw more blades accurately. Use fillet command with a radius of 5 mm to get a curved end.